Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use suggested audio for your story on Instagram or for your reels on Instagram. So it's very easy to do it when you're randomly exploring your reels or someone's story. Here, as you can see, there is a camera icon at the top of your screen. Just tap it. So as you can see, there is suggested audio. You can tap to apply and you can choose the part that you want for real and tap on done. So you're ready to use the music or the audio. Here as you can see, there's the icon, and now you can create your own reel with the audio that recently added. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.